If you're tired of paying subscription fees or sharing your data with online AI tools, here's how to run powerful AI large language models locally on your PC. No internet required, no data sharing, and it's entirely free. Let's dive in. To start, head over to the official Llama website. From here, you can download the application for your operating system, whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux. It's cross-platform and supports various large language models like LMA2, Code LMA, and many more. Click the download button for your operating system. In this example, I'll download it for Windows. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the straightforward setup process by clicking Next through the prompts. Installation takes just a few minutes. Next, let's look at the model library. This is where you'll find all the available AI models you can run locally. Models like Llama 2, General Purpose Language Model, Code Llama, optimized for programming tasks. Mistral, Dolphin, Uncensored Llama 2. To install a model, simply click on its name in the library. For example, if you want to use LMA2, click its link to open the model page. You'll find the command to run it right there. Copy the command, for instance, and paste it into the application, and the model will begin downloading. Note that some models are quite large, so this process might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the model is installed, you can start using it immediately. For example, the app will load the model using your PC's resources, such as CPU or GPU. Now that the model is running, you can ask it anything. That's how you can run powerful AI models locally on your PC. It's a game changer for privacy, accessibility, and cost. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.